only English-speaking country in Central America, Belize. For such a small country, there's lots to see and do. But with only 5 days left on my journey, me want to go there do some fierce diving, man. So I raced across the country on a bus to catch the last boat to Cape Cocker. So I could dive the world-famous Blue Hole. What a letdown up close. But I went for it anyway.
Kendrick, are you okay?
Attaboy!
Nice job.
I ignored those naysayers and tried again. The second time I was successful. I finally got to dive the Blue Hole. What? You expected less? I went down deeper, and deeper, and deeper, until... Sharks. I tried to get up close, but they ran away. They must have heard that. I'm a real-life Indiana Jones. So I continued my descent into the darkness. Luckily, my dive partner brought 10 artificial light sources. With its stalactites and eerie darkness, and with almost no visible sea life, I felt like I was swimming in outer space. There are actually many blue holes around the world, but at almost 1,000 feet across and 400 feet deep, the Great Blue Hole in Belize is the undisputed largest blue hole in the world. Belize Diving Services took us to Half Moon Cay for lunch, and to enjoy the tranquility of a deserted island. Then back in for our second dive near the quay. Sea turtles. Stingrays. Garden eels, so called because they half bury themselves in the sand for protection, thus looking like a garden of seagrass. Blue damsels, sergeant majors, and lots of little fish. Triggerfish, brittle stars, sea cucumbers, groupers, huh? Oh, more sharks. What a great way to end a dive. So we got on board and sailed to our third dive site, aptly named the Aquarium. Lots of yellow-striped sergeant majors and other fish. Groupers. Triggerfish. Scorpionfish. Arrow crabs. And eagle rays. And at the end of the day, Belize Diving Services offered us one last show, and it was awesome. But even if you don't dive, you can still see sea life. As long as you can swim, you can go snorkeling. Many tour companies there offer all-day sailing trips to Shark Alley that include snorkeling. I sailed with Easy Boy Tours and they did a great job. I really had fun that day. We saw sea cows, better known as manatees. Do you realize that these 1,000-pound mammals were the inspiration for the mermaid myth? Those old sailors must have really been lonely. Easy Boy stopped in the coral garden so that we could see lots of fish. Like sergeant majors, blue damsels, cowfish, and squid. But I didn't know whether to admire them or lick my lips. Mmm, tasty. But the high point of the trip just had to be the stingrays and nurse sharks. Unfortunately, the sharks had already heard who I was. Just look at them running away. There's also a lot to see in a half-day trip to Keycocker Marine Reserve. And I was lucky enough to go with a super friendly and super warm
Caveman!
Only caveman on the island.
He pointed out moray eels and showed us seahorses. And stingrays and nurse sharks. And we even got to swim with them. He even got us to feed ourselves to tarpon. And he finished with a flying cat show.
Alright guys, thank you good people for choosing me, man. I hope you enjoy yourself, you know.
Now I'm back at work. Yay. Dreaming about where I'll go next.
Coming this fall 2015, the independent traveler in Adventures in Southern Africa. Where exactly? Well, not knowing is part of the adventure, so subscribe to find out and follow the adventure.
I'm Kendrick Kaufman. And I am the Independent Traveler.